comes one of the most awaited moments of the evening, the Rolling Trophy Award. This prestigious honor is presented to the house that has showcased exceptional teamwork, discipline, and excellence throughout the year. Let's put our hands together as we announce the proud winner of this year's Rolling Trophy Award.
So I have the score over here. First, I'll start with Tilak House, which scored 168 points, Bhagat Singh 184, and Chandrasekhar Azad House 226. And what is left out? Any guesses? Which house is left out? Yes, that's right, Bose House, who is the winner with 261 points.
To make this proud moment even more special, may we request our principal ma'am with other dignitaries and our honorable director ma'am Ms. Satya Datla to join us on the stage and present the rolling trophy to the champions of the year.
Congratulations to the winning house for their outstanding performance and teamwork throughout the year. Your hard work, unity, and determination have truly paid off. Keep the spirit and continue to inspire others with your excellence.